This video tutorial shows you how to add more pages in a Flash site template. Currently, there are 4 pages in our template. I have opened the FLA file located in the Sources Flash folder. I'm using Adobe Flash CS3 for editing, but there are no essential differences in previous or later versions of Flash. Now, I'll open the movie clip that contains all the pages. It is usually called Pages, all_pages, or Content. In our case, it is Pages_all1. I'll create a new page using a copy of page number 3. Please select the frames and move them holding Alt. Each frame corresponds to one page. Our page number 5 is located in the 5th frame. Each movie clip should be swapped before editing. Each layer corresponds to one button. 4 layers, 4 buttons. Let's add one more layer and a button. Move frames holding down Alt. I use navigation buttons to move objects. Move frames holding down Alt. Select the frame and press F5. Select the button and press F9 to open the Actions panel. This script says to load frame number 5, where we actually have our brand new page. Press Ctrl Enter to see the result. This is the end of that tutorial. Now you know how to add more pages in a Flash site template. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions. Good luck!